Nice.
No.
Show the packaging first, then you can smell and try. Smell and try. Smell and try. Can I also smell something? Cheers to This was some prank or what? Okay guys, so we ordered few things. Now we are gonna open them. Sophie doesn't know what we ordered. So can you guess what's inside this?
No, I don't know really.
Yes. What's inside this?
This I know, these shoes.
She already opened it. I was ordering.
Yes.
This is number one. But she ordered for me, not for Sophie. But
What
she
is-
will of course wear it. This is one. We don't know if we will keep it or we will not keep it. Let's see.
But I like this one. Can you wear?
Can I wear?
Yes. What
We
is
ordered from
this?
Myntra.
Shoes?
This is
Okay. I like this way.
Hello.
Let me see.
This is the secret of Sophie's beauty. Minimalist.
But for sure we will keep it. But we already have
One.
Yes.
I ordered this from Smellzone.in website.
This is perfume.
This perfume. Why perfume? Look. Smellzone.
It's perfume.
Okay, this is one, which is Victoria's Secret Bombshell. This is for Sophia.
Yes.
Try it, smell it, tell me how you like it or not. What on me just smell. That one was 80.
So normally.
Now you can see. Which one you like more?
So bad.
So bad?
I told you another one I showed.
They didn't have another one, and I wanted to order Jimmy Choo because you have been saying Jimmy Choo. This-
Bombshell out.
This I know.
Smell zone. What is this?
This is shampoo and conditioner.
No, what is this? And this?
This is moisturizer, I think. Body lotion.
What for who? Ah, you told me
No,
you
this is
like it
also
so
facial
much. Yes?
cleanser. Yeah, this is organic, so that's why I like it. No chemical in it. And
It's so small and I think it's expensive. So it's
of
how
course
much?
expensive. 800 something.
Oh baby. For what? For 2 times?
Not for 2 times.
For 3?
My hair is not as long as yours. I can use it for a month easily. And I'm using this spray to make my hair thicker, so it's the same. No, there is no smell, I think. Normal smell. This is looking more good, I think.
What is this cleanser?
This is also face cleanser. This you can keep. This is for
But
you.
why?
This is
face-
complimentary free.
Oh, then for me.
No. So guys, we are finished with unboxing now.
Yes, and I chose this perfume. Which
Okay.
one? This Victoria.
Victoria's Secret Bombshell.
Yes, I like so much. And cleanser. Also, I need.
Like this one.
I'm used just minimalist content.
But really, this one is so good. This one is smelling
What?
so good. This
So
face
I will
cleanser.
try. It's new one. I don't know. It's which company is this? Forest.
Essential.
And
Yes.
shampoo.
And conditioner.
Yes, which
So
is
small. I was thinking it will be big, but
for your hair. It's okay.
yeah, small hair, small.
But really, why you bought this? Just
This is
50
natural.
50 millimeters.
Yeah, this is natural.
Milliliters, millimeters, and show your feet.
This we choose to kill mosquitoes.
Yeah, look at you. And that's it.
That's it.
Okay.